Julius Erman Empoy-Ramos Marquez, born July 3, 1981, is a Filipino actor, comedian, and host. Best known for his lead role in the successful film Kita Kita 2017, he gained recognition through various TV shows and films from 2003 to 2018, showcasing his comedic talent. Marquez starred in TV5's longest-running comedy, Locomoco, and featured in Kapitan Awesome and Tropa Moco Online. His breakout role was in Mac and Cheese. He appeared in Kita Kita, which became a top-grossing indie film. In July 2017, Marquez opened a 90s-themed resto-bar. He appeared in various shows and films, including FPJs and U Provinciano and Walang Caparis, and joined GTV in 2024.
Susunduin ko lang po si... Mami, may pasalubong nga po pala ako sa inyo, Marlboro Red po.
Basta't ako, I have a date.
Hindi ha.
O sumama si Sante.
Good evening.
Uy, kuya.
Huli ka na. Kinuha na yung basura namin kanina umaga.
Oo nga.
Loko to ah. Sandali. Bibili ko ng paputok ha.
Ay.
Anong paputok ang pinakamalakas dyan?
We are the real owner of the homeland. That bow proposal is good. If you have dalawa.
Malamig, maaliwalas. Tapos dito, meron akong nadaanan na convenience store. 24 hours siya. Feeling ko yung mga tao... Ano yan? Go, go, sige!
Go, Kuya Gerard!
Is it B? No. Or is it C? None of the above. Or is it D? You're mine.
I think it's D. I'm yours.
Alam mo ba yung scam? Ha? Alam mo ba yung pyramid ka? Baandaran ng ganyan ha? Ha?
She is... Oh, nothing. I don't know her, but she said she's a woman in the painting.
Well, kailangan ko yung meditation para makapag-relax. Ay! Ba't ganon? Lasang singit eh!
Ako din, sorry.
But I love your voice. French? Pwede pa. Pwede ba?
Pakialam, kahit kaklase mo yan. Basta bawal ang manok sa loob.
Oo, girlfriend ko yan. Alaga namin na rin manok nare.
Pasensya ka na, hindi ko siya kilala. At saka...
Ano pa doon? Di, may langaw pa doon.
Po, Yaya. Thank you po. Kanina, ba't mo pinigilan? Ano ba? Hindi ko pwede sabihin, mawawalan ng visa yung powers ko, ganun?
Hindi, bossing eh. Kapag sinabi mo sa kanila, baka mapahamak sila.
Diyan kay Tagad, di ba pwedeng tomboy muna? Ayun.
Kapitan Perfect. I mean about Max.
Sinong naliligo?
Office is cockroach. Cousin of spider. Tawanan nyo sa Tugigaraw.
Kong Koila, what's your repuatusi? Are you English yourself? Responsibility?
I know, right? I'm happy. You're happy. Boss Nathan is happy. Everybody's happy.
Ano kasi yung kasamahan ko dun eh? Sabi niya, ayun, nag-audition po ako dun. Pumila ako.
Umalis. Aalis ka na talaga bukas.
Ako lang to. Ako to, si Gardo.
Kanya po ako rito kasi para manghiram po ng barbecue grill. Mag-iihaw po kasi siya, may bisita siya eh. Nasira po kasi yung barbecue grill namin.
Pupunta ka pa ng hardware eh. Di ba sanay ka mag-drive? Drive mo yung tricycle. Beta, start mo na yan. Total, sanay ka naman mag-drive.
Okay.
Gusto kong sulitin yung oras na to na habang nandito pa siya sa mundong ibabaw.
Walang lasa yung kape. Bakit mo naman nasabi yun, May?
Kaya wala tayong pambili ng kape.
Don't talk when your mouth is full, okay?